Son.
Have a safe trip,
Bye to
sir.
Dad. Bye to Dad.
Mama, Chuy. Bye-bye.
On our way to the airport. Our last leg in Davao before we go home on a flight to Manila and then LA and then Las Vegas. Davao National Airport. Here we are on the first leg home.
Right now we're at the airport, Davao City International Airport, and we have to fill out the form for contact tracing. Security.
Where'd she go?
You're lost.
I was lost for a second.
Yeah, you're lost.
And she looked at me like, what do you want?
Here's our ticket. Davao to Manila, Manila to LECHE. Then we'll get another one going to Vigas. So we're here at the gate waiting for our boarding time.
Hi. I'm playing my
It's playing already. So we have like
5 minutes before boarding time.
45 minutes before boarding time.
Or even less than that.
Boarding time. Thank you. Uh-huh.
Bigger teeth.
Yeah. Here?
48.
Thank you.
Hi, baby. Minute to Manila.
Okay, punta kami sa transfer desk. Nagtanong-tanong kung saan kami pupunta. Saan terminal. Excuse me, ano po, for LA,
For LA po, ma'am.
mamayang gabi?
May boarding pass po kayo?
Ha?
May boarding pass po.
Meron. So, even it's connecting flight, we have to pick up our luggage for security check. Waiting for the shuttle going to Terminal 1. We started already. 6 hours layover.
13-hour layover. You know,
I'm in here.
oh, I'm in the king seat.
Yeah. You're in the balcony.
Yeah, but
Uh-huh. Terminal 1, ang daming pizza boriche. It's a pain in the butt to travel at this time.
yeah. Yeah, but this is a stupid system.
Yeah, because of COVID, you know. Okay, so punta na kami sa gate namin dito sa Terminal 1. So, Philippine Airlines din yun. Kain muna tayo. Let's have snacks. Yan lang sa kanya. Yung... Yes. And then cheesecake. Then sa akin yung banana muffins. And what do you wanna drink? Okay, we're going to the gate. Our flight is 9:05. And right now it's 7:35. But we got here in Terminal 1 around 4 o'clock, right, honey? And we went eat because we didn't have breakfast and lunch. And that one is like whole day meal, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner as well.
And they gave us peas and dried mango as a snack. And a bottle of water.
In the plane.
Yeah.
Yeah, from Davao to Manila.
Philippine Airlines, the generous airlines.
Yeah, guys, and it is gonna be a very tiring trip. You know, because mostly it takes only like 21, 23 hours for the whole trip.
35.
But this one is 36 hours, so. That's a long line. So we're in the plane now.
Yeah, on our second leg going to LA with an empty spot.
Magandang gabi po muli sa inyo lahat. Buong puso po namin
We'll be stretching out.
Sa PR102 patungong Los Angeles.
She moved over.
I'm happy.
Oh, she got a window seat. Yeah. Even though it's right by the wing, it's a window seat.
Oh, I deserve it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You deserve it.
I deserve it. I deserve it.
Oh.
Of the Filipino.
Teriyaki with rice and pineapple, bread, butter, water.
Yeah, I got the pork sausage. I probably won't eat it.
Orange juice. Morning, guys. Time for breakfast. We have like an hour and a half to get to LA now, and they're serving breakfast already. Here, wala kaming ginagawa. This is a 12 hours flight. So, wala kaming ginagawa kundi matulog, kumain, tsaka mag-bath. Ayan yung isa kumakain na. So this is a really stressful and tiring flight. Alright. And okay.
Stressful.
Very stressful.
Very stressful. Yeah.
Stressful flight.
Very stressful.
Ito yung binigay nila na kit. May toothbrush, may toothpaste. Jess.
I think I saw it. Right there.
Yeah, there's no facials.
I think it.
No facial required here in America. Only at the airport. So it feels better without the facial. Guys, we're here in the LA LECHE airport. We're going to transfer to our terminal going to Las Vegas. We have to look for the American Airlines. Is it American Airlines, babe?
Yeah, it's right there.
Right there?
You can see the N-A-N-E-R right now. Very first one. All four. And here.
And it's really cool. Really cool. Guys, nandito pa kami sa LA. 13 hours yung layover namin dito. Dumating kami kanina from Manila. It was past 6 o'clock. And sa security, tsaka siya yung pick up ng bagahe. So, dumating kami dito sa gate ng American Airlines around 7. And then, close na yung mga counter doon. Nag-check-in lang kami sa sarili namin doon. Electronic check-in. Bukas pa ng 4 o'clock ng madaling araw, magbubukas yung check-in para sa mga bagahe. So, dito na muna kami ng asawa ko. Marami kami dito kanina naghihintay din for flight tomorrow to Vegas. Ang asawa ko din, ayun, lumabas, bumili ng pagkain. Gusto sa niya mag-hotel, ay ayaw ko. Ayaw namin mag-hotel kasi parang it's a pain in the butt. Dito na kami tapos punta pa sa hotel, magkukuha na naman ng taxi, and then gigising ng maaga para makapunta dito. So dito na lang kami. Right now, I think it's 9 o'clock. Tomorrow flight namin is around, I think 8 o'clock yata. 8:05 yung flight namin tomorrow for Vegas. So, ayun, dito na lang kami. Tatambay muna until the morning. Anyway, nakakatulog naman ako na mabuti sa aeroplano kasi nga, di ba, dalawa lang kami ng asawa ko sa 3 upuan. May isang bakante, so doon ako na. Humiga ako doon. So my husband just came back. Okay.
Were you worried, baby?
No.
No.
Me?
Oh no.
Hell no. No, I mean no. Remember he went out to get dinner or
Food.
something.
Something to eat. Yeah.
Something
a
to
snack.
eat, and he didn't get anything.
It's all closed.
It's all closed. Yeah, anyways, may pasalubong naman kami ito. May pagkain pasalubong. Siguro, ito na lang yung kakainin namin. I mean, I say that we have food there anyway. I got food for pasalubong for my friends and probably
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
eat some of it.
No.
I'm gonna have some
I
of
don't
it.
know.
Yeah. Pero hindi pa naman kami gutom. May mga...
We
may
have
sabi-
food. We have food. We won't starve.
Yeah. Okay. Time check. It's 5 o'clock. And we're going to our gate. Gate what? 54?
54 feet.
Breakfast. So we're eating breakfast now. We're here in our gate. Going to Las Vegas. But our plane is not leaving until 9 o'clock. So we have to wait for how many hours? 3 hours.
Well, it's 3.5 hours. A little bit under.
So there's nothing to eat in hot dogs, so we get it from there. Hot dogs and burgers. Boarding time. American Airlines going to Vegas.
Wow.
Oh, yes. I'm lucky again. Oh,
Another empty seat.
empty seats. Here. Lucky again.
Yeah, lucky on the last leg home. Last leg to Vegas.
We're in Las Vegas now. So guys, we just arrived in Vegas. We're home finally. 36 hours flight. So we're finally home. We're in Las Vegas now. City of Lights. I can't wait to be home. I wanna see the kids, Coco and Cleo, Andrea. Right. Coco boy! Coco, is that you, Coco? Coco.
Stay here. No, I don't want that. Yeah, that's yours. Yeah, that's yours. You know I don't take them from you. Yeah.